I decided to put short natural hairstyles to test. Okay, welcome everyone. This is Short Hair Jig. If you have just discovered this channel, welcome. Please do well to click on the subscribe button. But if you've been our ardent follower, thank you for coming back. So I tried 7 different looks of short natural hairstyles, and let me tell you what I found out. I did not expect this result. First up was the wash and go. It was cute, simple, but very dependent on the weather. With such wash and go hairstyles, it depends on the weather. Imagine applying a gel for a wash and go, and then there is a downpour, there's a heavy downpour that day. Of course, it will definitely affect the gel, right? Now, then came another hairstyle, which is the finger coils. Beautiful definition, but definitely time consuming. What it takes, the amount of patience it needs to pick each of the hair and twist it, turn it till you finally get a beautiful look. So it's actually definitely time consuming. I tried bantu knots, which were bold and fun, but not always practical for everyday wear. Yes, the bantu knot is actually a bold, bold statement hairstyle, right? But it's actually to make a statement. So if you have an occasion, but with bantu knot, you don't want to look ordinary like an everyday look, which is the finger coils or the wash and go. All right, the bantu knot is not for everyday wear; it's for an occasion. So if you have a very important occasion, the bantu knot is a style to go for. Next was a tapered cut style. The tapered cut style is the super flattering and easy to maintain style. I've also tried a mini frohawk, which gave instant confidence but needed frequent shaping. You can twist it push the hawk to the left or to the right, whatever style or styling option that you want. It can give you that options of changing the style. The other one is a flat twist style, which was very elegant and protective, perfect for busy days. So if you do not have the luxury of time to spend to make your hair look very good, the flat twist style was an elegant option for me. But the one that completely won was a defined short afro with a side part. It framed my face perfectly, required minimal effort, and worked for both casual and dressed up moments. It had no stress. It was just so easy. There's nothing like overstyling. Right? It was just natural texture doing its thing. So the biggest lesson in this story is this: the best hairstyle isn't the trendiest one. It's the one that fits your lifestyle and makes you feel confident. So if you are experimenting with short natural hair, try different styles. You might be surprised which one becomes your signature look. Until we come your way again, thanks for being here. This is Short Hair Jig. Cha cha.
life, in my family's life, and everybody that is connected to me.